I recently did a video on where to find free wood. And, as promised, we'll now take a look at options for turning that wood into usable pieces of lumber or live edge slabs for your woodworking projects. Turning big pieces of wood into usable, smaller pieces of wood can be done in a number of ways, and much of it depends on what your goals are. Whether it's harvesting and processing a large amount of lumber for big building projects, or simply getting a few nice slabs of wood for doing things like making a live edge coffee table or some rustic furniture for around the house. Either way though, there will be an initial investment of time, energy, and money. So first of all, decide whether this is something you're going to be doing on an ongoing basis. If you're committed to harvesting and processing your own wood for the long haul, then the initial investment will pay for itself very quickly. But if you only want a few pieces of wood for a single project or two, then you'd probably be better off just going to the store. Let's first talk about processing small amounts of relatively smaller pieces of wood. Now, a good option for doing so is to use a chainsaw mill, such as the ones made by Granberg International. Over the years, I've used their G777 Alaskan chainsaw mill, as well as their larger model G778. With a little practice, chainsaw mills can be set up and used quite effectively. They're fairly portable, so you can haul them around in your vehicle easily, as well as pack them in and out of the woods without too much trouble. Again, they do take a little practice to use properly, and chainsaw milling will give you a workout, as it's fairly labor-intensive. However, using attachments such as a chainsaw mill winch system and a roller bracket can make the operation go much smoother and faster. To learn more about chainsaw milling, chainsaw power requirements, and all the rest, visit Granberg International's website at granberg.com. I'll do some future videos on this topic too, so stay tuned. Now, if you're interested in turning a large amount of free wood that you have access to into a large amount of usable lumber, then your best bet is to hire an on-site lumber mill service who will come out to your location with a portable lumber mill to process your wood. Such service providers charge either by the hour or by how many feet of lumber you're having cut. Now, getting this service set up and paying for it may seem like a lot of work and a lot of money, but again, depending on what kind of wood it is, how much you're getting cut, and what you're going to do with it, it can actually come out much cheaper than buying all the wood from the store, especially if it's high-quality hardwood. So those are a few ideas for processing your free wood, and if you have any ideas of your own to share, please feel free to do so in the comments below. In the next video, I'll be sharing some ideas for drying your wood, so stay tuned for that. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.